Hello friends, are you ready to learn letters with their sounds? But first, don't forget to subscribe to Clever by Aisha. Let's go!
Letter A sound. A. Letter B sound. B.
Banana.
Letter C sound. P. Letter D sound. D.
Dog.
Letter E sound. X.
Egg.
Letter F sound. F.
Fish.
Letter G sound. G.
Grapes.
Letter H sound. H.
Heart.
Letter I sound. E.
Election.
Letter J sound. J.
Juice.
Letter K sound. K.
Kiwi.
Letter L sound. L.
Lemon.
Letter M sound. M.
Mountain.
Letter N sound. N.
Nuts.
Letter O sound.
O.
O.
Ostrich.
Letter P sound. P.
Penguin.
Letter Q sound. Qu.
Question mark.
Letter R sound. R.
Robot.
Letter S sound.
Sunflower.
Letter T sound. T.
Tiger.
Letter U sound.
Umbrella.
Letter V sound. V.
Vase.
Letter W sound. V.
Watermelon.
Letter X sound. X.
Xbox.
Letter Y sound. Y.
Yogurt.
Letter Z sound. Z.
Zebra. For more fun and learn, subscribe to Clever by Aisha. Bye bye.